Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Nano ELearn. In today's video I'll talk about the importance of manual testing in software development. Let's get started. In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, manual testing remains as a crucial and irreplaceable component. Manual testing involves human testers meticulously inspecting and evaluating software applications to identify defects, ensure quality, and provide an optimal user performance. Here's why the manual testing holds its significance. Human perspective. Manual testing brings the human touch to software evaluation. Testers simulate real user interactions, explore various scenarios that automated tests might overlook. This human perspective uncovers usability issues, design flaws, and unexpected behaviors. User-centric validation. Manual testing validates that the software meets user expectations and business requirements. Testers verify whether the application aligns with the end user's needs, ensuring a positive user experience. Adaptability and exploratory testing. Testers possess the intuition to perform exploratory testing, adapting their approach based on emerging issues. This agility is vital when dealing with rapidly changing requirements or unexpected scenarios. Early detection of usability issues. Human testers can identify usability bottlenecks, making recommendations to enhance the user interface and overall experience. Complex test scenarios. Manual testing is effective for intricate test cases that are challenging to automate. It is particularly useful for scenarios involving human judgment, emotion, or subjective evaluation. Cost effectiveness. Manual testing is often cost effective for smaller projects or in the early stages of development. Automated testing can be time consuming and resource intensive to set up and maintain. Dynamic environments. In agile development, where requirements evolve rapidly, manual testing accommodates frequent changes and allows for quick validation of new functionalities. Uncovering edge cases. Manual testers have an eye for identifying edge cases and unusual scenarios that automated tests might not cover. This ensures comprehensive test coverage. Regression testing. While automation is valuable for repeated tests, manual testing effectively performs one-time or infrequent tests such as regression testing after major code changes. Explaining complex defects. Testers can provide detailed feedback on complex defects, aiding developers in understanding and resolving issues more effectively. In conclusion, manual testing complements automated testing by providing a human-driven, adaptable, and user-centric approach to software evaluation. Its role in uncovering unanswered defects, ensuring usability, and aligning with real-world user interactions makes it an indispensable part of a comprehensive testing strategy. Embrace the power of manual testing to create software that not only functions flawlessly but also provides an exceptional user experience. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.